Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey, welcome to my first vlog. Here, I will explain a little about drainage. Drainage is the removal of water misses naturally or artificially from the surface or subsurface of a place. This disposal can be done by draining, disposing, or diverting water. Drainage, which is a pivot from the word to drain, which means to drain or drainage water, is a system of drainage of clean water and wastewater from residential area, industry, agriculture, road, bodies, and other government surface, and in the form of channeling access water. In the where I live, this time there is an example of drainage, one of which is the Tirtonadi Dam in Solo. This dam has been completed in the manufacturing period on December 2018. Besides, this dam is also very unique, namely by developing an innovative use of rubber material in its use. Rubber, where is the result of development of the type of Weir remains a weir by making the wire body of the rubber tube development. The rubber dam serves to raise the water level by inflating the wire body and lowering the water level by deflating it. Rubber wire was first built in 1957 in the United States by using textile material to form the wire body. In 1978, the material was developed into nylon fibers wrapped in the synthetic rubber. The construction of rubber dams in Indonesia began in 1970. In its application in the field, there were many problems which result in the low performance of the weight. The problem is caused by a lack of theoretical support and experience. In addition, I will explain a little about any component in a rubber dam, including: number 1, the waste body, which is in the form of the developed rubber tube, as the main building the shaft to contain water. Number 2, the basic building, which is in the form of the foundation for the placement of the waste body, 3 pillars and 8 walls. 4 flush ducts and doors. 5 air pumping installation. 6 weir deflation automation system. 7 treating hose and 8 safety fish. Construction of weirs, in addition, being useful for collecting water and raising water level for irrigation channels, fisheries, and tourist attraction, etc. The construction of a weir that crosses the river when viewed in terms of river restoration has a negative impact on biotic and abiotic life in the river. Some of these impacts include: number 1, change the sediment transport balance. With the construction of a dam on the river, there will be a change in the sediment balance. With the wear of dam, the degradation and aggradation process along the river will dissolve. Number 2, changing groundwater level. With damming, there will be a change in groundwater level. This increase in groundwater level does not have to have a positive impact on the vegetation in the area in question, because a lot of vegetation is not suitable for living in high groundwater conditions. This conservation and compression should be pursued. Number 3, reduction of water discharge in main rivers. Number 4. Increased area of inundation. The construction of dams or dams on a river usually result in expansion of a puddle area. The expansion of this inundation area, in addition to having a positive impact on increasing water conservation, can also have a negative impact on flood river basin ecosystem. Number 5. Decreasing river natural dynamics. A river, as a natural system, has a high degree of dynamic. In a sense, with the high physical heterogeneity of natural river, high river dynamic occur. The river dynamics will be reduced if we build a weir. For example, for a hydropower plant with weirs and artificial channels, river conditions become homogeneous and water velocity will be zero. I think when I have a problem with my speaking, I say I'm sorry. I'm RahmaatWahyu and see you later.